Today, I go to the supermarket. I take a shopping bag. I take a shopping bag. I leave the house. I leave the house. I go to the supermarket. I go to the supermarket. I enter the store. I enter the store. I take a basket. I take a basket. I walk around. I walk around. I go to the fruit section. I go to the fruit section. I see apples and bananas. I see apples and bananas. I pick some apples. I pick some apples. I put them in the basket. I put them in the basket. I take some bananas. I take some bananas. I go to the vegetable section. I go to the vegetable section. I see tomatoes and carrots. I see tomatoes and carrots. I take some tomatoes. I take some tomatoes. I take some carrots. I take some carrots. I go to the meat section. I go to the meat section. I look at the chicken. I look at the chicken. I take some chicken. I take some chicken. I go to the dairy section. I go to the dairy section. I take milk and eggs. I take milk and eggs. I check my list. I check my list. I have everything. I have everything. I go to the cashier. I go to the cashier. I wait in line. I wait in line. I put the items on the table. I put them on the table. I pay for my things. I pay for my things. I take my bag. I take my bag. I leave the supermarket. I leave the supermarket. I go home. I go home. That's it for today. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.